Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some pink gift tags that I've created. I felt like doing some tags that had a kind of a pink theme to them. So most of the items that I put on are either pink or white or somewhere like that. So I've used chipboard gift tags that I already had, and I just started layering them up. And one of the ideas that I had was to use my scallop punch. It's this one here, and so with that I punched out these scallop shapes here, and I used a lot of the adhesive dots in between there to layer each layer up, so it gives a nice dimension to it. And I used some of my folders that had the embossed folders, and put that through my Cricut, and use some of those papers for layering as well. And I used some, well, I went through my scrapbook papers and found as many papers that I had with a lot of pink on them. And so this one is it's got some little pink poinsettias on there. It says all is calm, all is bright. And obviously I used some pink in the layering there, and just some of the other ones have pink on the edges so that you can just see a little bit of that through there. And then I used some pink, just pale pink netting, and I think I purchased this one at Walmart last year or the year before. It goes a long way, so I just cut some of that for the little tie at the top here. Used some embellishments on it, and just kind of had fun with these. And then on the back I used my stamps. I had one that said Merry Christmas, and I used that with some pink ink on there, and then a pink snowflake that I stamped on as well. And you could change that up and do you know, whatever message you want on the back, or if you have other little stamps that are appropriate for the Christmas season, you could use those. So that's the first one, and here's the second one I did. So more of the scallop punch layering there with here in the corner here. I've used that. I've added a big jewel on top of that to make it like a flower center, and a sparkly leaf that I cut out. The background again is the embossed folder there with the leaves and snow and kind of ferns on there. And then I also die cut out these two shapes here. This is with the pink polka dots, and then I used my stamp and stamp Joy on there, and it's got the snowflake in the center, and then added the gemstone in there, and then also used the pink netting for the tie at the top there, and then on the back the same Merry Christmas and the snowflake in pink. So I thought they turned out really cute, and kind of a fun tag for the holiday season, if you know someone that likes pink, or if you like it yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and finish creating the third one here. I've got another one partly ready to go here. So this one is chipboard on the pink background. It's got a gold border on the bottom, so I left that visible, and then I started some of the layering here. So I used some more embossing folder from a different design there, and then some paper that had kind of a pink ribbon through it, and a little bit of a pink flower paper poking out of there. And then so far on the back, I've kind of finished the back of this one. Just layered up some, just some different, this piece I cut out, it was kind of a frame with the pink and a lighter pink in the center. And then another one of the scallop punches there. It's got the pink snowflake on it. And then my stamps that I used, also Merry Christmas and the snowflake. And I just stamped that at an angle, so I thought that just kind of made it look a little different. So I thought that was nice. And then now I'm just going to finish decorating this one. So hope you enjoy watching. So there they are, 3 of them finished. And so thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that and are inspired to create some of your own. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.